Hello everyone. I am P. Srihasini from the first year CSCG section. Today I am going to explain about the arrays in C. Let's see what is an array. An array is a collection of similar data types or similar data elements stored under a single variable at a single time. Here we can see a visualization of an array. Here we can see the indexes of an array and the values of the array. Let's see array declaration syntax. The syntax of the array declaration is data type, array name, square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we will mention size of an array. And this should be end with a semicolon. Let's see array initialization syntax. In this initialization, we will initialize or assign a value to an array. The syntax for that is data type, array name, square brackets. Inside that square brackets, we will mention the size of an array and it should be end with a semicolon. In the next line, we have to mention array name. Next, square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we have to mention index like 0, 1, 2, 3. And this index range is from 0 to size minus 1. And assigning that index to an element. And this should be end with a semicolon. And this is the array initialization syntax. Next, we will see the array definition syntax. It is the easiest way to define or to allocate elements to the array. The array definition syntax will start with the data type, array name, square brackets. Inside that square brackets, we will mention the size. Assigning that to the elements. These elements are enclosed with the curly braces, and these elements are divided with comma, and this should be end with a semicolon. Let's see a simple example usage of an array. Array has so many applications. We can create so many programs in the real time. Here, there is a simple program for the array example for printing maximum and minimum. Here, we are declaring an array or defining an array. Here, we are initializing an array and initializing an index 0 to the maximum and initializing an index 0, array 0 to the minimum. Next, we are checking condition and updation, and these should be ending with printing. Conclusion of an array. Array is an essential for the programming. It allows efficient data storage and it is easy to access. And we can search, sort, and we can do anything with the arrays. And it is an important data type in the every programming language and also in C language also. Thank you for listening and thank you for your attention.